What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Broken Dreams by Powfu. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's only using 2 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, or you can find the guitar tab that I made for the song in the description as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. First chord you need is A minor. It's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then you need E minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Okay, so starting on your A minor chord, you're going to only alternate picking between your A and your B string, starting with your index finger off of the B string, and you're doing this 8 times total. So on your first one, you just pick A, B. Then you put your index finger on the 1st fret for the 2nd time. Then you take it off for the next 2 times. And you just repeat that. Then to your E minor, you pick your low E, you pick your D, low E, G, low E, D, low E, open D, hammer on. That's the first half of that part, and then the second half you play it the exact same way, except you play the D open and you don't hammer on to the 2nd fret. That entire thing looks like. So altogether, the riff that just repeats throughout the entire song looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.